Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. If you are searching out a good nice smartwatch on an ideal budget, then you are definitely watching the right video. In this video, I have fixed the smartwatch considering the quality, sturdiness, call for, consumer rating, and order and many others. I hope you like my watch reviews and also you get the pleasant first-rate smartwatch you need. You could request that the video be watched in full as the video is bigger. All the hyperlinks of the watches are in the description under the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's get started with the video. In fifth place, the smartwatch is Makibes Pro Smartwatch. Today we are going to talk about the latest and cheapest smartwatch from the brand Makibes, the Makibes Pro Smartwatch. It features a 1.3-inch touchscreen, stylish design, a metal case, IP68 water protection, many useful features along with 15 days of battery life. Already this watch price is $30.35. This smartwatch has some features are: the watch case is made of carbon, while the bezel around the screen is made of aluminum. The dial is only available in black, but the strap can be chosen from 3 options: black, red, and green. The watch has a round 1.3-inch screen. This is an IPS panel with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. The display is touchscreen, and it is quite bright. You can see everything in sunny weather. The Probe has 9 sports modes like walking, running, cycling, rope, badminton, basketball, football, and swimming. As we said before, the swimming mode is available because of IP68 protection. Makibes Probe is synchronized with mobile devices on Android 4.4 and above, or iOS 9.0 and above. To connect the watch to your smartphone, you have to download the DA-Fit app. As for functions, Makibes Probe tracks steps, distance, calories. You can also use a timer, alarm clock, stopwatch, calendar, activity reminder, weather forecast, remote control of the camera. It is not a very large battery compared to other Makibes smartwatches. However, Makibes Probe still lasts up to 15 days on a single charge. In standby mode, it will last for 60 days. Excellent result, given the color touchscreen display. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge the watch. In number 4, the watch is SG2 Nordic NRF 52840 smartwatch. SG2 is a stylish GPS sports watch that not only represents a stylish attitude, but also monitors your health and movement at all times. It is a very cost-effective sports watch, built-in GPS, and multiple running exercise modes for choice. Have such a watch, ignite your passion for exercise. Now, this watch price is $39.83. In this watch some external features such as: it has 1.19-inch full lamination AMOLED high-definition 390 by 390 round screen. Whether you are under bright sunshine or in a dark room, SG2 can receive GPS satellite signal. The deviation is less than 3 meters. The watch not only can show your optimal speed and average speed, but also can show you the maximum pace rate and average pace. SG2, IP68 waterproof and sweatproof design, enable you to do any sports including swimming, without taking it off. Do not press button underwater, do not flushing hot water. SG2 will alert if you reach maximum and minimum heart rate when you exercise. It not only can play an optimal exercise performance, but also can ensure safety. Help you explore your own exercise pace, while optimal guarantee exercise performance. 12 kinds of sports you can choose: running, walking, cycling, mountain climbing, swimming, basketball, badminton, football, dance, aerobics, skating, tennis, etc. SG2 can recognize sports types of running and ball games automatically. Record real-time heart rate, exercise duration, distance automatically. While Bluetooth connecting, if there is an incoming call, it would show the caller ID. Almost notification of apps could be synchronized to the watch. This smartwatch built-in 220 to 300 mAh high-capacity powerful watch. More than 128 MB RAM and ROM. 20 days of maximum standby time. In number 3, the best smartwatch is new DM368 Plus smartwatch. This is a multifunction sports smartwatch. 1.3-inch, 32 by 320 resolution HD screen gives you a better user experience, and you could adjust the screen brightness in the watch. DM368 supports various functions like sleep tracker, call reminder, push message, IP67 life waterproof, continuous real-time heart rate monitoring, which make you a better understanding of their health. More than 1 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM, 600 mAh battery capacity make a proper combination. Recently this smartwatch price is $83. The watch is equipped with a powerful quad-core processor, MT6739 high-speed video coprocessor, and a high-definition image processor. It adopts Android 7.1 system. 1 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM, supports nano SIM card, 4G LTE network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0 wireless connection with a 1.3-inch AMOLED touchscreen, which will bring you smartphone-like intelligent experience. The watch supports multiple sports modes. GPS tracks your positions, movements, and generates track maps. Sports data professionally analyzed and displayed makes you learn and better manage your health activities. A professional human detection sensor is built in the watch, which supports heart rate detection and works with big data and precise calculations to achieve real measured. When you receive a message from your phone, it will be synchronized and pushed to your smart bracelet. You can view the text content on the wristband and never miss any important information. In its second place, the watch is Jingtighter DM20 4G Smartwatch. This watch is just an assistant tool for mobiles. It is a 30 meters waterproof smartwatch and it cannot be used to call. But you can connect to your phone via Bluetooth to achieve other functions. It can be an information reminder, call reminder, sleep detection, weather, sports pedometer, distance, calorie, stopwatch, alarm clock, sedentary remind, remote control camera. You need to install an app and bind the mobile phone to take pictures. With the IP67 waterproof function, it can meet your daily needs for doing sports instead of calling. Now, this smartwatch price is $100.98. This watch built-in 780 mAh powerful battery. 1.88-inch touchscreen with a resolution of up to 320 by 360 pixel. The picture is smooth and clear, stylish, and cool without losing vitality. DM20 can receive GPS satellite signal. The deviation is less than 3 meters. The watch not only can show your optimal speed and average speed, but also can show you the maximum pace rate and average pace. This smartwatch can continuously automatic heart rate monitoring, blood pressure and time, to know more about your body and health. The smartwatch will automatically track your sleep duration and consistency with a comprehensive analysis of sleep quality data. You can see the current data in the watch, and you can see the history data in the app. This smartwatch has 8 exercise modes that help you better understand each specific activity data. It supports real-time monitoring, including walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, etc. And waterproof rating up to IP67, the best choice for the fitness lover. You can wear it on washing hands or play in the rain. But fitness trackers are not recommended for swimming or bathing. This watch supports incoming call remind and messages notification. While Bluetooth connecting, if there is an incoming call, it would show the caller ID. Almost notification of apps could be synchronized to the watch. And number 1, the best smartwatch is Makibes M3 Pro. Makibes has released its new 4G smartwatch phone, Makibes M3. The device comes with powerful specifications such as dual-chip processors, high camera resolution, IP67 waterproof, as well as huge battery capacity and large memory space. Already this smartwatch price is $127.99. It has a display screen with 1.39-inch size. 454 by 454 pixels can clearly display in sunlight, which further exaggerates its quality and beauty. The latest system with a more excellent interface, it has excellent power management and the added security of this Android. It can accurately monitor pulses and the active and resting heart rate changes to generate a professional heart rate report. The IP67 professional protection level, which means you could wear it even in the rain, hand washing. Don't worry about it. It supports independent Wi-Fi, can connect to the web directly from your wrist. It also works on WCDMA, GSM, FDD-LTE and networks. Using a nano SIM card independently, you don't need a mobile phone when you go out and never worry about missing the calls. It has a large memory space, 32 GB ROM plus 3 GB RAM for you to use. 800 mAh battery is also convenient for your use. It also has functioned as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS navigation, heart rate monitor, pedometer, multi-sport modes. Outdoor running, outdoor walking, indoor running, cycling, ball, skipping, etc. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.